5 reasons new roof replacement. What you should know. A deteriorating roof, if ignored for too long, can lead to some serious problems in the future. However, this is not the only reason why a homeowner must consider investing in a new roofing system. Here are some more reasons to give some serious thought to a new roof installation. Better protection. Years of exposure to the wind, sun rays, and rains can cause a great deal of wear and tear. A new roof means better protection from severe natural elements. Improved appearance. The roof is considered to be one of the most visible components of a home's exterior. A nice, structurally sound roof gives a good boost to the appearance of the house. Energy savings. These days, advanced technology is used in designing and manufacturing roofing materials like the innovative, energy-wise metal shingles. Roofs built using these energy-efficient materials help homeowners make significant savings. Longer warranty. Professionally installed roofs come with strong, long-term warranties that cover both materials and installation. These days, high-quality metal roofing material manufacturers even provide customers with lifetime warranties. Increased resale value. Houses that have a strong metal roofing system in place will also add to the curb appeal of a home. And homes with great curb appeal will command a higher resale price as compared to homes with aging roofs. True Green Roofing Solutions. You have options. Questions? Call us today, 775-225-1590, or visit us at truegreenroofingsolutions.com. True Green Roofing. We love what we do since 2008.